Hey guys, and welcome back to Soundcheck. Before we get to our behind-the-scenes interview with Alien Ant Farm, we're going to find out what it's like to be an opening act. So here joining me today, I have Crash Kid. How are you guys doing?
Good.
Good. I'm so glad to have you guys here. What was it like to open for Alien Ant Farm?
For me, it was awesome. I've been listening to Alien Ant Farm many years. Used to walk home from school with my friends, hanging out and jamming to their music. So it was something totally new for me.
Jamming. Were you guys all Alien Ant Farm fans?
Yeah.
Yeah. That sounds super exciting. How did you guys become a band?
Let's see, Tony, you and Lewis have been friends for quite some time. Go ahead, dude.
And we've been playing for what, 10 years now? Something like that?
10 years?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's been like 10 years, and after a while we found Ashley.
How did you find Ashley?
Craigslist.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
I love Craigslist.
Craigslist. And what about you guys? How'd you guys join the
And then
picture?
we actually played with him previously because he knew somebody that knew him. So then we got in contact with him, and then I went to high school with him.
Awesome. So who are your guys' biggest influences? Who would you say?
I feel like Killswitch Engage is probably one of our major influences.
How about you?
Killswitch, Paramore, like a lot of that.
I'm a big fan of those too. I love Paramore. She's awesome. How about you?
I actually was a Broadway kid growing up.
I'm
like
a musical
jazz,
theater person too. That's awesome.
That's where I came
What's
from.
your favorite musical?
Ooh. I do love Hello Dolly. I know
Hello
that's,
Dolly,
yeah, I know
old
that's really old
school.
school, but yeah, I love that. And then I got into like hardcore metal when I went to college, so like.
It is a big jump. That's
That was
awesome
a big
though.
jump, but yeah.
It's really cool. What's your favorite guys part about being a band?
I love performing.
Performing?
Love it.
Playing in front of people is awesome. So
Yeah.
nothing else like it.
Performing?
Yeah, especially when the crowd's like into it. Yeah.
Do you guys have any hidden talents other than music?
I can do the splits.
You can do the splits. Oh.
He just
I was
thought it
gonna
sounded
say
cool.
prove
It did
it.
sound cool. I thought it sounded cool.
Lewis can give me a piggyback ride.
He can give you feedback.
Yeah, that's a hidden talent.
I heard somebody was talking about something with marshmallows before we started.
I can fit 16 marshmallows in
16 marshmallows.
as far as I got.
That's definitely a talent. So how about we check out some footage from you guys opening up for Alien Ant Farm?
All right? Sweet.
Cool.
And in the end, I'll be just fine. And I'm on my own again. Oh, and it's alright. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. And in the end, I'll be just. And I'm on my own again. It's alright. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. And in the end, I'll be just fine. Oh, and I'm on my own again. It's alright. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. And in the end, I'll be just fine.
Stay tuned because coming up next we have that exclusive interview with Alien Ant Farm. You don't want to go anywhere.